everyone, I'm Lindsay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys a little how-to tutorial video today. And it is all about how to blow dry your hair using the DryBar Double Shot blow dryer. I got this a couple of months ago and have been loving it. I love playing around with it, figuring out the best ways to use it. So I think I've gotten it down to a good routine. So I'm pumped to be sharing this video with you. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the newest videos from me. Let's get started. I always start with towel dried hair. I found that it works a little bit better than just starting out with soaking wet hair straight out of the shower. So I usually let my hair dry in the towel for about 10 minutes. That way it's not dripping wet when I blow dry it. It makes blow drying and styling a lot quicker and a lot easier. So I use a couple of products with this blow dryer. Today I'm going to be using the Dallas thickening spray from R&Co. This just helps with volume. I don't have super thick hair, so I always love adding in something that helps make it a little thicker. And then I'm also going to use the Oride Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. I know this is like a baby travel size. I actually just tried this out this week and fell in love with it. It has been a total game changer on my hair. My hair looks so much shinier when I use it, and so I actually just ordered the big size of it because I'm almost out of my travel size, or this little mini sample size already. But I'm gonna start with the Dallas thickening spray, and so I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. And then I love using the wet brush. This brush is amazing. It's got softer bristles, so it doesn't tear through your hair when you have wet hair. I've brushed out the tangles. Now I'm going to use this Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. So I'm just going to use a really little bit of it. Like honestly only that much. It works wonders. And then I'm just going to warm it up and then run it through the bottom to ends of my hair first. That's where I want majority of the product to go. And then any extra, I'll just run quickly through the top. Now we are ready to start blow drying. So the first thing I do is section off my hair. So I've sectioned off just a small bit of my bottom hair. The smaller the sections, the easier it is to get a handle on your blow dryer and to really get that pretty flip and blowout style that you see from salon blowouts. It's gonna be hard for you guys to hear me as I'm actually blow drying, so I just wanna quickly walk you through it before I start. So I'm gonna take this and break it up into two other sections. And this first section, I'm gonna start by placing my blow dryer in my hair at the root, and I will curl it all the way to the bottom. And as I curl away from my face, I'm moving my wrist outwards, and that will help turn the hair and get it to flip at the end. So I'm gonna go a couple of times on the back of my hair, and then I'm gonna flip it around, and I'm gonna go kind of underneath my hair and curl it downwards. So this just helps to smooth out both sides of the hair and make sure you're getting everything dry. Quick recap, now that this piece is dry, I can show you with the brush actually in there. So I went around this way a couple of times, just bringing it all the way through to the ends, and then I flipped it around and I went this way for a little bit, and then I went underneath, flipped my hair the other way and brushed through. And as you can see, I kind of help bring my hair around the brush, that way it gets the full curl. And that is the bottom section of my hair. Gonna do the exact same thing, just move on up, do another little section, middle to bottom of your hair still. Just like to run my finger through, grab a little chunk. Okay, now we have our second section of hair, so exact same thing. Gonna start on one side, break it up into a little bit smaller sections, and just blow dry it out. as you get closer to the top, make sure to leave enough hair kind of at the top crown of your head, because I like to blow dry that in a little bit of a different way to get some extra volume in there. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, like it's gonna be a pretty small section honestly for this next one, because I wanna leave enough of the top hair so I can get that good volume. How smooth this blow dryer makes your hair. This is the one thing I love about it so much. I don't have to do 2 steps. I don't have to blow dry and straighten my hair. I can just blow dry it and be good to go. Guys, we are almost done. So we're moving on to the very last section of your hair. And like I said, I'm gonna do this top section a little bit different. How you're gonna do the top section is you're actually gonna go take sections that are straight across. So I just put my finger in there and grab a little back section, throw this one in front. I'm not gonna be able to see very well, but it's straight across there. And I'm gonna put my brush at the back and the front. The same curl motion, but I'm not going to do it to the sides. I'm going to do it to the back and the front. This way I can get a little bit more root lift and more volume. Pieces that you want to have a little bit more curled at the bottom, like I'll probably do the sides of this a little bit more, just to add that last little flip. Alright, and that is how you blow dry your hair with the DryBar Double Shot blow dryer. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, like and comment below. Would love to answer any of your questions about this tutorial, and look forward to seeing you guys next time.